The power of SIP. How time and discipline build wealth. Wealth doesn't always begin with a huge investment. In most cases, it starts with small but consistent steps. The Systematic Investment Plan, SIP, is one of the smartest ways to grow your money, not through luck or timing, but through patience, regularity, and the incredible force of compounding. Imagine investing just $18 per month into a good mutual fund that delivers an average annual return of 15%. In the beginning, your growth may seem slow. After the first few years, your total investment might be just over $1,000, and your wealth could rise to around $1,600. After 10 years, your total contribution will be roughly $2,000, but your portfolio value could grow to nearly $5,000. As time passes, compounding begins to work its magic. After 15 years, your small monthly contributions could grow to around $12,000, and after 20 years, your portfolio might exceed $27,000. If you stay consistent for 25 years, you'll have invested only about $5,000. Yet your wealth could reach nearly $60,000. And the most remarkable part, after 30 years, your total investment would be just $6,400, but your wealth could grow to around $125,000. That's the power of compound interest, the ability of your money to earn returns, and for those returns to start earning more returns on their own. It starts slow, almost invisible, but as the years pass, the growth accelerates, and the curve turns steeply upward. This is how small, consistent actions turn into massive financial rewards. The SIP journey teaches us 3 timeless lessons. First, start early, because time is the most powerful multiplier of wealth. Second, stay consistent. Even a small monthly amount invested regularly can create extraordinary results. And third, think long-term. Wealth is not built overnight. It's built through patience, discipline, and commitment. A small monthly SIP that looks insignificant today could one day give you financial freedom and peace of mind. That is the true power of SIP, where discipline and time work together to transform small investments into life-changing wealth.